I'll let you know. Oh, freaking perfect, dude. Straight down. Oh! Dude. Okay, back up a hair. Alright, I can push it the rest of the way. Alright, go for it. Straight down. Oh, upsy daisy, yeah. Hey John, what do you think of the portability of the Woodmizer LT50?
Can't be beat.
Are you telling the truth?
Yeah.
That was not easy to put in. And that's a mega tight fit. Final inspection. Everything's strapped down. We are good to go. Flip that bit! It's game time, baby! We're gonna cut this log. We're gonna cut those little logs. This is gonna look terrific. Weird. Let this be a lesson to all of you. Make sure you engage the blade before you transport your machine. All right, John, so what do you think now of the ease of transport for the Woodmizer LT50?
Couldn't be better.
Tell me the truth.
Could be worse.
Also, make sure you undo the hitch because, you know, that's kind of a problem. But we'll be okay. Could be worse. So John, what do you think about the portability of the Woodmizer LT50?
It goes places.
Come on, tell me the truth.
It's all right.
By the way, world, this is Russell. Hey!
I think it's fantastic. I
gotta
want to be
believe.
game show host. It's fantastic.
Ooh. Now I know what you're thinking. Why aren't there stickers on that wood? Well, I forgot the stickers. But don't worry, we'll come back, we'll bring them, we'll sticker them. That's a nice log.